Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Hope so you all will be fine. So today we are going to start our second lecture for chapter number 6, enzymes. In our previous lecture we have learned about enzymes, its definition and its reaction. So start with the second lecture. Enzymes lower the activation energy in several ways. Several mean many ways. Activation energy, minimum amount of energy is required to start a reaction. So if we use enzymes instead of giving so much energy, so enzyme will be beneficial as they will make the lower quantity of energy. They may alter the shape. Alter means change. They may alter the shape of the substrate. Substrate are the things that are going to participate in reaction and reduce the requirement of energy for this change. If you are giving so much energy and the reaction is not fulfilled, then you must give enzyme because they may reduce or less the requirement of energy. Some enzymes do so by disrupting the charge distribution on substrates. Like there are charges on substrate and they are disturbing the whole reaction, then you can use enzyme and they will make it disruptive. Enzymes may also lower activation energy by bringing substrate in correct orientation to react. Like substrate are not in their exact position and that may disturb the whole reaction. So if we are using enzyme, the enzymes may firstly lower the activation energy and then bring the substrate in ordered condition, in correct condition where it should be for a proper reaction. Enzymes can be categorized. Categorized means they can be arranged. Enzymes can be categorized on the basis of the site. Site means area where they are working, where they work. For example, they may be intracellular. In word intracellular, in cell enzymes, intracellular enzymes. For example, enzymes of glycolysis. In word glycolysis, lysis stand for breakdown. Lysis stand for breakdown. Glycolysis working in cytoplasm, or maybe extracellular. Intracellular, that are the inner side of cell, and extra mean that are outer side of the cell. For example, pepsin enzyme working in stomach cavity. So we will now learn about the characteristic of enzyme, that what are the properties of enzyme. In 1878, German physiologist William Kuhn first used the term enzyme. Enzymes are globular protein. Like all all enzymes are protein in nature. So like all protein, enzymes are made up of long linear means straight, long linear chain of amino acid. What are amino acids? Amino acids are building block of protein that fold produce a three-dimensional molecule. Three-dimensional molecule mean that have three-dimensional structure. All biochemical catalysts are not protein. For example, some RNA ribonucleic acid molecules are also catalyzed reaction. Almost all enzymes are protein, they are made up of amino acids. Most enzymes reactions rate are millions of times faster than those of comparable uncatalyzed reaction. Like you are taking a side by catalyzed reaction, and on the other hand you are taking uncatalyzed reaction. So that reaction in which we use enzyme and that are able to uncatalyze reaction, that will be million times faster. As with all catalyzed, enzymes are not consumed by reactions they catalyze. They are not used fully 100%, rather that their little part will be used in the reaction. So that's the property of enzymes. Enzymes are usually very specific. Specific mean they are specific only for one work. Like the pepsin enzyme only work in stomach cavity. They will not work in oral cavity or esophagus. So they will work at a specific place for the type of reaction and for the nature of their substrate. Only a small portion of enzymes molecule is directly involved in catalysis. Catalysis means breakdown. Not all the enzyme or full portion of enzyme will involve in catalysis, rather that either a little part will be involved. This catalytic region is called active site. That is called active site, the site which is active, or where a reaction can proceed. It recognizes, it identifies and binds substrate and then carries out reaction. That's they are telling us about active site. Enzymes production can be enhanced. Enhanced mean increase, or diminished mean can be decreased by a cell according to need. Like a cell need about 25% energy, then enzyme can adjust that energy to 25, and if a cell need 2% energy, then enzyme will make themselves change according to the needs. Enzymes activity can also be regulated, can also be maintained by inhibitor. Inhibitors are the thing that stop the reaction, and activators are the thing that activate a reaction. Some enzymes do not need any additional component to work. Some enzymes need many other things to work, and some don't. However, others require non-protein molecule or ions called cofactor. Cofactor are the non-protein molecule which doesn't contain amino acids. Cofactors can be either inorganic. Inorganic mean they can be metals ion, or they can be all the ions rather than carbon and hydrogen. Or organic. Organic mean all the things that contain carbon and hydrogen. For example, flamin and heme. If organic cofactors are tightly bound to enzymes, they are called prosthetic group. These are the definition: cofactor and prosthetic group. Prosthetic group are those groups in which organic cofactors are tightly bound to enzymes, and if they are loosely bound, they may be coenzyme. If organic cofactors are loosely attached with enzyme, they are called coenzyme. Coenzymes transport chemical compound. You can learn it by hint. Cofactor start with C and chemical group stand with C. Coenzyme transport chemical group from one enzyme to another. Some important vitamins, for example, riboflavin, thiamine, and folic acid act as coenzyme because they are loosely attached. Several enzymes can work together in a specific order, creating metabolic pathway. Metabolic pathway is a pathway of enzyme that whole reaction can proceed. In metabolic pathway, one enzyme, that is the way or series. One enzyme take the product of another enzyme as a substrate. They may be shuffled. After the reaction, product is passed to the next enzyme. Like if the A plus B are enzymes and they are going to start a product AB. So they are trying to say that B will shuffle its place and it will react with A and form BA. Rather they are same, but they have changed their position. Next is uses of enzyme. Enzymes are extensively used in different industries for fast chemical reaction. Like if you want to proceed reaction at faster rate, then you can use enzyme. For example, in food industry, enzymes that break starch into simple sugar are used in production of white bread and buns, like the bread you eat in your daily routine is made up of enzymes and all the reaction related to enzyme. That was our lecture for today, and if you have any further question and queries, you can contact to your WhatsApp group. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.